In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Pottery Barn credit card account in 2025 using a straightforward step-by-step approach. Whether you're using the regular store card or the Key Rewards Visa version, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring that you can access your account without any hassle. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is ready, navigate to the sign-in page specifically for the Pottery Barn credit card. The direct address you need is https://d.community.net potterybarn public home.htmls. Remember to enter this URL carefully to avoid any errors. However, if your credit card is issued by Capital One, perhaps it's the Key Rewards Visa version, you'll need a different link. In this case, visit https://potterybarn.com to proceed. Once you've arrived on the appropriate login page, the next step is to locate the Sign In button. This button is the gateway to accessing your account, so click on it to move forward. It should be prominent on the page, but if you ever have difficulty finding it, take a moment to scan the page for words like Sign In or Log In. Clicking this will take you to the Credentials entry section. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. Specifically, type in your username or user ID and then enter your password. Ensure that you input these details correctly, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters that might be in your password. It's crucial for the security of your account that you always keep your login details confidential and enter them precisely as they are. If you happen to forget either your username or your password, don't worry. Most login pages, including this one, provide helpful links like forgot username, password. Clicking these links will guide you through a recovery process to help you retrieve or reset your login information. These measures are put in place to assist you whenever you face access challenges. Authentication security is crucial, so make sure your new password is strong in case you have to reset it. And there you have it. Successfully signing in gives you access to manage your account, pay bills online, check transactions, and enjoy the rewards of being a valued Pottery Barn cardholder. Remember, accessing your account regularly helps you stay on top of your finances and ensures you enjoy all the perks associated with your card. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. If you enjoyed this tutorial or need more guidance, please feel free to explore other content on our channel. Have a great day and happy shopping with Pottery Barn.